In this video, we are looking at a couple of IEMs from Linsol to be exact. One is the latest Tin Hi-Fi T2 DLC, and the other one is a Tripowin Rhombus. Both are budget IEMs. One is $60 and the other one is $70. So let's open it up. Let's see uh, what we get when we uh, purchase some budget IEMs. I have been looking into a lot of expensive IEMs, and people have been more interested in budget IEMs too. So this is my foray into the budget IEMs. I am perfectly aware that tin hi-fi isn't going wrong or anything like that. The T2 and the T series is fairly popular, while the Tripowin is catching popularity too, is getting popular enough. And the Evo T2, the last was the T2 Evo. This one is the T2 DLC. There is no mention of DLC or anything like that, but this is supposed to be the tin T2 DLC teen hi-fi. So yeah, let's cut it up. Okay, looks nice, looks reasonable to me. I have owned the tin T2 before, the T2 Pro to be precise, and this one is supposed to be an upgrade to that. Similar body, similar shell. I do not expect anything to be much different from the original T2 or T2 Pro. So uh, this time around though, this is a 2-pin IEM. You guys can see this is a 2-pin IEM, and there is a couple of different kind of logos behind it. I'm not sure what that mean. Or is the logo the tin hi-fi logo? It seems like that. Tin, I'm not sure. This is the tin hi-fi logo. I'm dumbfounded here. In any case, this is the tin hi-fi DLC, two pin connectors. You guys can see 2-pin connectors. So it looks decent in my opinion. This is the cable, very similar to what we get with the T2 and stuff. The driver is different, I believe, this time around, but the cable remains very much similar to the T2 Pro and T2. There isn't much going on in there. Similar tin hi-fi kind of tips. These are reasonable, not the best, not the worst either. Foam, the blue foam tip from Tin Audio, decent. There isn't anything extravagant here. There isn't anything uh, dull either. So this is reasonable. I'll set it aside. Let's have a look at the Tripowin Rhombus. Yes, this is no sponsored or anything by the brand or anything like that. So doesn't matter whatever I want to unbox. I want to unbox in a single box. It doesn't matter, since the brand is not involved or anything like that. No one is sponsoring this. So yeah, I'll do whatever I want to do, and I want to unbox both these in the same video. Tripowin Rhombus. This is my first IM from Tripowin. I'm not sure how to open this up. Okay, I'll have to push it. This isn't exactly. Okay. So here we have it. It's opening here. So yeah, nice. This is a good thing. I always like a carry pouch. This is the set of tips, white and black. You guys can see both are similar, narrow bore. There isn't anything different with the bore size or anything like that. So this is fairly pedestrian. Nothing exactly extraordinary or anything outstanding about it. The shell, this IM looks nice. This cuts looks nice on the shell. Looks good. Looks very good to me. Looks fairly good to me. Nice. I like it. Shape, this is a hybrid IEM, I believe. This is a, let's see what other information we get on the box. if we have any information about the IEM on the box. uh, Even if there is any information, I barely can read it. No, there is no information about the IEM on the box. But as far as I remember, this is a hybrid IEM priced at 80, 80 or $70. So this is a decent looking metal. You guys can hear metal shell and rhombus. The DDBA hybrid IEM. So Tripowin has a good track record, and I believe this should be decent. This should not be extravagant. If not extravagant, this should be decent. And two pin, I believe this too is two pin. Yes, two pin. So stability should not be an issue or anything like that. So that's a great thing. That's a good thing. So this is the unboxing of tin T2 Evo and Tripowin Rhombus. So this is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Enjoy.